Hey guys, I'm sorry, I don't know what happened. I've never had my phone die in the middle of a video like that, so I don't know if it's Facebook or weirdness. But hopefully people will jump over to this one and see that I've started the project again. So I'm just going to continue where I left off. So watch part 1 and then jump to part 2. So coming back here, I was talking about the Sale-A-Bration items and how you get one for each $50. And so you kind of have to use like 2 to get the trees for sale, because these are the 50 ones, and then these are the trees for sale dies here, which you can get free with a $100 purchase. So you can get more, of course, you just need those. All right, did you guys find me? It looks like some people are coming on, so whew. Okay, hi Carol. Sorry, I don't know what happened. My phone just died for some reason. Anyway, trees for sale dies. So the camper, this is the accessories for the camper, which make it super darling. There are the 3 tree outlines here for the 3 different sizes in the stamps. There are 3 tree overlays for the 3 different sizes in the stamp. And if you are a camper person, or like you like the idea of camping or the vintage look, this die set and this tree, they don't need to be Christmas at all. So they can be a totally non-Christmas set and be super fabulous. You can even have this little sign here that says trees for sale. You could stamp like, hey, welcome to our campsite, or all kinds of things. The little pennants can go across here. There's a little, here, I'll show you the sneak peek of this card because it's coming later this week. So here's our sneak peek. But there's like this little like hood thing for the little curtains. Oh my gosh, there are just a zillion amazing things here. So come back later. I'll be back on Wednesday with another Make Your Mornings with Meg, and I will show you that project. So let's get back here. Like I said, there are multiples of these that you can use to cut out your branches there. And through the magic of television, I have our, not branches, tree stands. You know what I was saying though, right? So through the magic of television, I have these pieces die cut for us. So let's go ahead and put these together. One of my favorite ways to assemble things is to go ahead and hold them together where I want them to be, and then pop a Stampin' Dimensional on the back right at that intersection, and it will hold both of those pieces there. So since I'm working on this embossed vellum, I'm going to go ahead and add extra dimensionals just to make sure that things stay. Is anybody a huge vintage camper fan? I think they're absolutely darling. And of course I love camping, but usually my camping is like tent based. So all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get those set, and then I'm gonna put a dimensional here on the back of our Christmas greetings element too. Now, before I put this down, I want to figure out size-wise and make sure that everything is gonna fit on here. So I have my large tree, I have my small tree, and then I have our greeting. So that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna flip, oop, I already did take that one off. Putting this on. I haven't attached the vellum yet because remember, we're still going to talk about how we manage that. There we go. And now I can peel the backings off of these and put our trees down. And then we're going to decorate our trees. So hang tight for that for sure. The tree decorations are going to be amazing. Okay, so there are our trees. I want to vary the height a little bit. So I have one down a little and one up a little. And now I have lots of easy sites to find my places to put my adhesive. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my multi-purpose liquid glue. I'm glad you guys are refinding the video. Sorry about that. I'm not exactly sure why I got dropped here in the start of our video. Maybe internet connection or something like that. So, all right, so I'm gonna flip this here and go ahead and set this down. And I'm just gonna hold this for a minute. The multi-purpose liquid glue is amazing stuff, but as you know, it doesn't grab instantly. You just need to give it a second for it to bond. Should be good. And then on the back side of this, because I'm gonna put color on color with Sweet Sorbet, I want to add some dimensionals to the back so that I can get a nice line of shadow here between our layers. So I'm going to, I'm not going to center this. I'm going to move it over here actually. Okay, there we go. All right, now we need some decorations for our trees, right? Christmas greetings. So it's tricky, right? Because when you decorate the tree lot dies, like they're in the tree lot, then you put stuff on them? I don't know. We'll talk about that later. But I'm going to go ahead and use my Adhesive Back Seasonal Sequins. These guys come in a package like this for fabulous colors. Also a great color selection, ramped up for just updated colors. So we have these green guys. We have the, there we go, get them all out. We have these white ones here, which are sort of a pearlescent. We have this soft gold, and we have these reddish, pinkish sweet sorbet ones, which match the sweet sorbet color gorgeously. So sequins, not just for Christmas cards. And here's my tip for these. I always like to have easy open tips for my embellishments so I don't damage them pulling them in and out. I just went ahead and went around 3 sides of this with the edge of my scissors, and now I can easily pop these back in here and open and close them without having the sequins get caught on the plastic or anything like that. So, and this just flips up and down. All right, now I have my gold sequins here because I love the way these contrast with the green of the glimmer paper. And I am just gonna go ahead and pop these on. I'm gonna use the slide and stick. So I've got my take your pick tool here, which I think is the easiest way for me to do these. So I'm gonna slide that. And as I slide it, it kind of means the adhesive disconnects with the plastic sheet and reconnects here with my take your pick tool putty. So slide and stick. So I'm pushing down when I slide and then moving across. And I'm just gonna give us an assortment of little Christmas lights here. Sometimes you need to, there you go, encourage it to stay off the end. But that is a really fun sort of fresh colors. When you're working on Christmas cards during the summer, sometimes you wanna freshen up your colors so that you've got something really fun and springy, summery to work on. The Trees for Sale stamp set, like I said, is a Christmas set. It has Christmas greetings and stuff in it, but these trees and the campers together from the die set that is included in Sale-A-Bration. So the die set is in Sale-A-Bration, the tree set is in the mini catalog. Okay, I should be less confusing here. Tree set, mini catalog, die set, Sale-A-Bration. So this one is going to be, the stamps are going to be available all the way through the end of December, first couple days of January. But these dies here, this Sale-A-Bration is only July 1st to August 31st, and it's while supplies last. So if this is a really high priority item for you, these sweet campers that are not just for Christmas, make sure that you get these ordered early so you don't miss out on them, okay? All right, so that's the first of our projects for this month, and I have the tutorials for these that I will start to get out. So everybody who's already placed their order for this month, watch for tutorials to come via PDF later in the next day or two. And we have some other fun projects here that I will be sharing. So I won't give you the close-up, but there's a little sneak peek of them. So those are gonna be our 4 projects this for month, including, or 4 projects for this month, including some more vellum tricks, some spritzing tricks, and lots of glimmer cardstock. That glimmer paper is so cute for these little Christmas guys. So Maker Mornings with Meg, we are on summer school edition. So during the regular year, we are Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 9:30 a.m. Central Time here on Facebook, and then repost on YouTube. But during summer school, we're a little off with our schedule. So we are Wednesday, July 13th, and then we'll be back the last week of July, the 25th and the 27th. So you can check the link or the dates in the video description if you need to mark your calendar so you don't miss any. But you can always catch videos later too. So I hope you all had a fabulous weekend. Thanks for jumping across to the second video. Who knows what happened there? And I will look forward to seeing you guys again on Wednesday with another project. So, all right, happy stamping. Have a great day.